Hi Michael, Richard. Um, so you have you can see my finger in front of this thing. This is a little tiny mini oscilloscope that I picked up a couple of years ago or a year ago. It's got a function generator, frequency counter in it. It's got a limited voltage range on the thing, about 60 volts or so, but for a lot of things it's quite useful. So anyway, I've picked up a haul out of this little cheapy throttle. It was the original one on my scooter, and it is plugged in right now. And the marks on here are set right now for 2 volts per mark, and you can see the yellow line on here. That's the input signal we're using, and that little tick right there, that is 0 volts. So this haul right now is already putting out approximately 4 volts ish, and I'm going to put a magnet in front of it. And so essentially what I'm doing is I'm putting the magnet on it backwards, and you can see the voltage drops because it's kind of like biasing it in reverse. So now I've got the magnet flipped around, and you can see the line going up. So this haul is a really crappy one. It has about 1 volt of swing on it. I would suggest not using this haul just because it is so bad. It has a massive dead zone at the bottom end of the throttle. But anyway, you can see basically what happens when you bring a magnet in front of a haul. It will adjust the voltage. With the typical hauls that are in a motor, that would not be the case. You basically just get a 0 or on. So whatever the voltage is, that is the maximum for the pack that you're running on the haul or voltage supply. You're going to get basically 0 or that voltage or a little bit less. But with an analog haul like this guy, you can see you get that variation in there. That's how all the analog hauls work. So anyway, enjoy.